In this video, I will show you how to make this super easy and quick crochet headband for your doll. And also, if you want to make this dress and this bag, I will leave you the links down below. Let's get started. To make this headband, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Maximum from Opus Natura, and this is 100 grams, it's 565 meters. Check also the description box for other yarn options. 2 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and needle, and also you will need something to put inside your headband. I will use a wire. I cut about 15 centimeters of wire. I fold it into half and I swirl it a little bit. So this base has about a little bit more than 7 centimeters, so about 3 inches. So this is what I will put inside my headband, but also you can use, for example, this plastic you have on the bottle. I want you to see what I mean. This one. I don't use it because in Europe, since few years, you can't just take it out. You can cut it and later you have to sand it, and I just don't want to do this. But if you don't live in Europe, you can just take this part, this circle from the bottle, and you can cut it and use it to put inside your headband. Start making a magic ring. Chain 1 to secure it. And now inside this magic ring, I will make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is what we have. Now we will close this hole. Okay. Insert your hook into the next stitch. So here. Sometimes it's tricky, so I like to use my needle to stretch this stitch a little bit. Okay, I have it. And now I will just work 1 single crochet. Okay, now go to the next stitch and again just 1 single crochet. Go to the next one and just 1 single crochet. And from this moment you don't have to count stitches, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch all over, and you will work until your piece is as long as the base you chose for your headband. So as you can see, it will start to grow like this. After a moment you will have like a long tail. So keep working, making just 1 single crochet in each stitch. You don't have to count stitches. I even don't know how many rounds exactly you will have to make. Just keep going until this piece will be long enough to cover the base of your headband. Okay, so after a time I have this, like a little snake. And this part is exactly the same length as the base of my headband. I've already cut the yarn, as you can see. So we can just take this base and put it inside. Okay. And now the only thing we have to make is to close this gap, and I will just use a needle. I will take this out. I didn't chain 1 in the end or nothing. I just left my last single crochet there. And here I will just insert my needle in every stitch, one by one, to close this hole. Okay, and 3 more. Okay, and I will just close it a little bit more within the end. I will just put it inside to hide it. Okay, here I can just cut this yarn and a new headband for my doll is ready. Let's have a look. Obviously, you can adjust it a little bit more if it's a wire, as in my case. This is how it looks like. So you can make a lot of them in different colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls and see you next time.